Hello everyone, welcome to Solution Insight. I'm Mike. Today we're diving into an advanced AI-powered software-defined visual quality assurance solution designed for smart manufacturing. In modern smart factories, visual quality assurance relies on IoT devices to inspect products and generate imaging data. When transferring large volumes of data to the cloud for rapid processing isn't practical, video analytics must occur closer to the data source at the edge. To tackle this, Lanner has partnered with 36Zero Vision to create a robust visual quality assurance system capable of processing AI workloads directly at the edge. This joint solution integrates Lanner's NVIDIA-based edge AI platforms with 36Zero Vision AI-powered software, enabling automated, vision-guided quality control across industries and product types. Based on a data-centric deep learning, it learns error patterns and handles tasks like detecting missing parts, inspecting for faults, and reading data matrix codes for plain text. 36Zero's vision software, powered by AI and is highly adaptable in non-code self-service platform. It only needs a few sample images for training to provide highest accuracy. The AI solution can be implemented in both new and retrofit existing setups. No error should ever leave the factory again. The LC2290E is an NVIDIA certified industrial-grade computer equipped with Intel Core i7 CPU and the NVIDIA A2 GPU. It delivers robust processing power for demanding AI tasks and features 4 PoE, 4 USB ports, and supporting multiple camera connections for real-time analytics. The EAI i131 is a compact, fanless edge AI appliances powered by the NVIDIA Jetson Orin SoC, delivers up to 100 TOPS of AI performance with 2 PoE and 2 USB ports. It is perfect for space-constrained deployments. Thank you for tuning in this episode of Solution Insight. If you'd like to learn more about visual quality assurance solution for smart manufacturing, don't hesitate to reach out, and see you next time.